a new T-Roc, recently launched model. It's an automatic transmission, 1.5 cc with 150 horsepower, and it has a very good front grille, sportive front grille. It's coming with the new LED headlamps, double barrel, and down the line is completely blinking. Its orange line is daylight running lamps. It's completely coming down for better visibility in night time and in the fog times also. It is fog lamps, chrome finish garnished with a front sportive grille. It's a 17-inch alloy wheel coming with a black finish, black sportive, and it has a very good feature in the tights. Is very advanced. It has a self-sealing tights. We call it a complete black gladdings are there for better sporty look from the exterior. It comes with a very good modular looks on the door lines. Completely used for the tail lamps is completely the LED. Very unique boot opener with logo. 560 liters is a boot space. In this logo only inbuilt camera is there. When we engage the reverse gear, automatically it opens the logo. Defogger mirror with wiper is the same model. It's a 1.5 liter petrol engine, and push open is there. Tank capacity 61 liters. Mileage actually it's a company claim is 18.9, but in cities the customer feedback is around 13 to 14 kilometers mileage. It's comfortable for 5 members. German cars always designed for the comfortable for 4 members, and rear armrest for comfort, and is a cup holder. Clearly options are there. For any luggage if you want to take from the boot, we can also use this space this way also, and comfortable seating for 4 members, and rear is for comfort is the rear AC vent also is there. It has a very good feature that start button is there. AC, both the sides has the AC there. We call it a 2-zone AC. For both driver we can adjust, and as well as with the driver side also we can adjust our requirement as per our requirement. Tilt and telescopic steering options are there. It has a steering mounted audio controls, and it's a digital cluster over here. Here we can check the multifunctions display. It's a digital cluster clearly. Overview options. How many hours the engine is then start in a day, and how many kilometers it's driven, and what is the mileage. Speed warning option is there. If chauffeur driven car, if you want to log the speed 60 to 80 or 100 kilometers, you can log that speed. Oil temperature, trip in a day, how many kilometers you are driven, and what will the mileage, you can check over here. Consumption, it's a very advanced features. Even and if you even our competitors doesn't have any features like this. The main is an adaptive cruise control and lane assist. These two features are very advanced feature because of it. The completely is a CBU model. Coming to the MUSE system, it's a Dyna MUSE system, specially designed for T-Roc, and it has a reverse camera on inbuilt itself. When we engage in the reverse gear, automatical it shows the camera and displays on the same player. Turning guidelines, and it has a many main feature is like a park pilot. It's a very advanced feature. Easy to park the car, even in the uncongested place also. All 4 power windows are the same, one touch up and down with the pinch safety. USB is there, aux is there, Bluetooth option is there, and Apple CarPlay also it supports. Android also it supports. It's a new T-Roc is coming with the SOS calling, like it's an emergency calling system. Panoramic sunroof. Children can enjoy. Now it's opening with the panoramic sunroof. It's a cool glow box. Coming to the safety, anytime Volkswagen main preference for this safety, technology, stability, quality and drivability. It has 6 airbags. All safety features is there like ABS, EBD, ESP, all are inbuilt. It's a 1.5 liter engine with 150 horsepower. Coming to the on-road price is 24,26,000. If any customers want to drive the car, just ring PPS Motors, Jubilee Hills, myself Chandrasekhar. Per contact details 7893244993 is my contact number. For test drives, we are ready to give you.